Alright guys, English to Spanish. Welcome, this is an unboxing. I'm going to unbox a few things. I'm going to unbox first the pot mic from the company Rode. Alright, and we're going to open this. I like presentation. The box is real pretty. La presentación siempre me gusta, la caja está bien bonita. Feels heavy, se siente pesado. So let's see, let's try to open this. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Bienvenido a mi canal si eres nuevo. And what can you expect of this channel? ¿Qué puedes esperar este canal? I'm gonna do some tech reviews when it comes to camera, lenses, different type of equipment that is related to video and podcasting. ¿Y qué puedes esperar de mi canal? Pues voy a hacer reviews de cámaras, lentes, micrófonos, diferentes cosas que están relacionadas con la videografía. Also, I do Christian vloggings, whether it's urban scene or preaching. Wow. Esto pesa con pantalones. This is heavy. This is heavy, heavy, heavy. Like this microphone, this is the blue, from the company Blue Mic, the baby bottle, the red edition. You don't even weigh all that against this. Este micrófono pesa mucho. Es heavy. Esto es como un tanque de guerra, literalmente. This feels like a heavy tank. I know it's weird. Smell. I like the smell of new things. Mala mía, para que me gusta el olor de las cosas nuevas. Wow, look at this. And this is where you connect your mic. See, right there. This is amazing. Look at the shape of it. This is a dynamic microphone. Esto es un micrófono, micrófono dinámico. You know, some people can appreciate in a video the quality, some don't, but this looks fantastic. Esto se ve maravilloso. So this mic is going to replace this mic because I broke it in an accident. I dropped it down. So este micrófono va a reemplazar este micrófono. Mira la diferencia. And this is just, wow, it's heavy. I like the way it fits. I wonder if this brought a cable. Did it brought a cable? It didn't. I don't think so. Let's see. Vamos a checar si me trajo un cable alguno. So it didn't bring a cable. Disappointed with that. Rode, my bad. I love your products. Rode, I got the Rodecaster Pro right here. Brand new guys. Disappointed you didn't put a cable in there for people who buy the mic. I gotta connect this to the computer today. I bought it yesterday and gotta put a film update firmware and all that. Un poco decepcionado con la compañía Rode porque pensaba que me iba a traer un cable, pero este micrófono está heavy duty. Muy bien. So far the unboxing, it's amazing. It's gonna go right there. That's where my mic. Let's close this back. Vamos a trancar esto de nuevo. And the reason that I'm doing my videos now in bilingual, English and Spanish, is because other people can benefit from it. Porque estoy haciendo mi podcast ahora y mis videos en inglés y español para que más personas se puedan beneficiar. Well, I like the presentation. I'm one of those guys. I'm weird, and I like the way this thing was looking. I don't even know if I can put it back, but the box is so pretty. I'm weird. What can I say? I love the presentation. And bro, you got a 10 with the presentation right here. It's awesome. Compré nuevos cables de la compañía LifeWire, or brand new cables. Both of these cables together I paid $55. Yo pagué $55. Pero es 10 pies de distancia. It's 10 feet because what's going to happen, my computer is going to be right here. What you see in my laptop is on top of my speaker. Mi computadora va a estar aquí. My Rode podcaster is on this side. Okay? So, I have to run cables from my speakers through my Rodecaster. So I don't know if maybe I will put my Rodecaster here on my computer there. But regardless, I want to make sure I got long cables from my speakers because those speakers cables are small. So this is 10 feet. This is gonna be more than enough for this small setup. My podcast setup. Also, y compré estos cables de 10 pies porque no sé si poner mi computadora aquí o el roadcaster aquí, pero los cables que me trajo la bocina son muy cortos, son estos 10 pies. So, para este setup, esto va a ser más que suficiente. I got a brand new micro SD card. It's 256 gigs from the company called Keep On. De la compañía Keep On tengo la tarjeta micro SD de 256 gigas, and this is gonna be the memory card for my podcasting here, for the Rodecaster Pro. So esto va a ser la memoria para mi Rodecaster, so I could record directly here. The good thing about this micro SD, it bought me the attachment that convert this micro into a regular SD card, and I could pop it in my computer, and I could get the audio from here and here, and then I could get my video from this beautiful baby right here, the Canon 150, and in post will get the audio sync up with my video. Y esta tarjeta va a ser donde voy a guardar todos los audios que van a ser grabados en el Rodecaster Pro. Y lo voy a poner por aquí. So now, we got a new box. Tenemos una caja nueva. Vamos a estar abriendo aquí. I got a nail because my girl took my scissors from here. Well, her scissors. I stole them from her. And she got it. So estamos abriendo esto con un clavito. Hey, it still works, you know. Whatever works for you. If it's still open, help you open and assist you in making your life easier, hey, why not? All right. That's it. So we're gonna open this. All right. Okay, so from the company called this is two different lights, LED floor lights. As you can see, I got one here that is purple, the other one is green. But these are 25 watts each, the one at the bottom. Yo tengo unas luces LED en el piso, una violeta, una verde. Bueno, cambia diferente color. You can make it any color. But it's 25 watts, so I bought this kind because it's 50 watts. So I'm going to have now 4 lights at the bottom. And you guys are going to see the reflection of the green in here and the green in here and the purple in here. This is going to look better. So estas son unas luces para el piso, para que la reflexión se vea mejor. Y esta es mejor. I got like 6 of these bad boys right now. Pero estas son 50 watts. Wow, big difference. Estas son de 50 watts. Yo les voy a enseñar la diferencia entre las que yo tengo ahí, que son pequeñas comparado con esta. And I'm going to show you the difference between the little ones I got here with this one. So when my daughter sees this, it's like, Papi, can I have your own lights? Cuando la nena vea, mira la diferencia. This is the new lights with compared to this one right here. 25 watts, 50 watts. So it's going to be a huge difference now. And the purple lights, this is going to be purple as well as this one. So it's going to reflect on my wall. So vas a ver la diferencia. Este es 25 watts, este es de 50 watts. Y esta va a ser violeta, la otra va a ser verde y la parte de atrás para reflexionar en la pared. Matter of fact, let's do this. De buena manera vamos a conectar esto aquí. Alright. Ya la pusimos violeta. Esto es difícil. This is kind of hard, like, to pull this down. It's like, oh, and I'm not strong like I used to be. Jesus help me. But look at this. Pero mira la luz violeta. Definitivamente una diferencia. Look at, I'm going to show you the difference between these two. Esta y esta. Entonces, a veces esta se me cambia de color. Esta, depending because this. There we go. So, violeta, violeta. See? I don't know if you guys can see it. Difference. Big difference. So, you put this right there. I'm going to put this right there. So now, hold on. It's so hard. There we go. So now, so it could reflect more, para que pueda reflexionar mejor. What I did with the other one, I'm going cuckoo. Alright, right here. Vamos para la otra. We got the other light right here. We're gonna make this one green. And again, this is a unboxing. This one is on Foru. Estas luces son de la compañía on Foru. And so far the unboxing and the things look real nice. So let's open this. I got another box inside there. Then after this, I need 2 more lenses so I could complete the set how I want it, and some acoustic panels that I want to put in the walls. Like on my left wall, I want to put some acoustic panel. On my right side, I want to put a little bit of acoustic panel right here so I could get better sound. But after the acoustic panel and the 2 lenses I want, después que tenga los paneles acústicos y los 2 lentes que quiero, then I'm done. I just need a wide angle lens. It's there for 11 Canon EFM 11 to 22. That lens, and the Rokinon 12 millimeters. It's wide angle. Rokinon, it got 2.0 aperture, so it's really nice. The Canon EFM is good for outside, but not for the inside unless you got a lot of light. So we're gonna plug this one out. Vamos a conectar esta ahora. And I have to buy another surge protector because it's like, seriously, like I don't have no more space in there in that department for sure. All right, so let's see. Let's try to see if I could put this green, and I don't change the other one because sometimes it happens. All right, so green, yeah, still purple. Boom. It's kind of hard. There we go. That's it. So there we go. Green like that. Green like that. So you can reflect the green and purple. Purple like this. Purple and purple. So it can reflect the purple. So ahí están esas luces. I got my closet full of boxes because I don't throw my boxes away for a long time, just to make sure in case I gotta return things. Alright, so this ones are out here. It's the other set of lights. Este es el otro set de luces. This company is NWER. And this is the second inbox that I do. I got the ND filters for my Sigma lens from the NWER company. Shout out to your boy NWER. Hook me up, hook a player up. So es la, ya he comprado diferentes productos. I like the company NWER, so this is another thing that I bought from the company. So hook me up. Ya he comprado 2 cosas. Los nenes de al lado están jugando. Sorry, the kids next door. My neighbors are playing. They got the baby. When he don't get his ways, it's like crazy. Alright, aquí tengo otras luces. Estas son más pequeñas, these are smaller. Okay. This right here, all the filters that you put in, and it changes the color. Estos son los filtros que tú le pones para cambiar los colores de aquí. And this is the stands. Este es el stand, porque son luces pequeñas. Let's see how that works. Okay, not bad, not bad. But I wonder. Okay, this is the like to hold them. Vamos a ver si te trae otra manera de. Okay. Vamos a abrir esto aquí. Where's my handy dandy nail? Vamos a abrir esta luz. Ahí. See, my handy dandy nail works. Alright. So you put this bad boy right here at the bottom. Okay. You open this right there, like just like that. And this is not gonna work now because I gotta charge it. Esto no funciona ahora porque tengo que conectarlo a un USB. So I'm not gonna even try to connect them right now because you know you gotta plug them, and I gotta find USB that will fix this. But at least I'm gonna put it together. No la voy a conectar ahora porque tienes que conectarla directamente a un USB, like you know, a charger, and I don't have a charger right now. So let's see. Okay, right there. Okay. This don't go higher than this. Oh, it does. All right. So, hold on. I wonder. All right. So, okay. So not bad. Go around. How do this? Oh, you gotta click it maybe. I don't know. You gotta click it because how? Oh, you go higher. But how does this click though? So I don't like this. This is supposed to stay in. So it's kind of, let me put it in the floor. So that will be good, you know, for to bring more white light, different angles, especially when I'm going to use the lens that require more light. So I got 2 of this. So son diferentes luces. Así que, I'm going to leave it at this. Este es el unboxing. So if you're new to the channel, si eres nuevo al canal, suscríbete. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. So you can see more content like this. Suscríbete al canal si no estás suscrito. If you want to help me, please hit that like button. Si me quieres ayudar, dale like. Also comment. Por favor, comenta. This is going to help YouTube to recognize that this channel is throwing good quality content. Y esto va a hacer que YouTube reconozca que nosotros estamos tirando contenido que vale la pena. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified. Y aprieta la campanita de notificaciones para que cada vez que tiene un video puedas estar al tanto de lo que estoy haciendo. Así que, alright guys, this is my unboxing and God bless you. Este es mi unboxing y Dios me lo bendiga. Peace out.